Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss how to delete your Instagram account step by step. Instagram now allows you to delete your account directly within the Instagram app. This article show how you can. So if you have Instagram app in your mobile, so let's start it. Step one: launch the Instagram app. Add the profile icon. The profile icon is lower right corner. Then click on the three lines button on the top right corner. Then the third step will be setting. Tap on the setting. The fourth step is tap on the setting, and then fifth step is tap on the account tab. When you click on the account tab, there is you see an option that delete account near the bottom of the menu. So with the green circle, you can find delete account. Then you see confirm by tapping delete account or deactivate account. So click on the delete account. You will. Instagram also lets you hide your status, which prevents you anyone from knowing you when you are lost online or lost active or surface. To learn how it works, check dedicated how to article. So this is the simple seventh step to delete your Instagram account. You can review it. If you like that video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. This is the simple step how to delete your account, Instagram account from your mobile device.